I've said this before, but it's absolutely worth repeating. Content is the absolute bread and butter of your online business. And that's why in this video, I'm gonna give you a simple but killer content plan to put into place in your online business that generates leads, put people on your email list, gets them through to your offers. But more importantly than even all of that, on the very front end, your content is going to build your audience, and it's going to build your authority with that audience by building your know, like, and trust factor. Your content is what actually builds that. It makes people know you, it makes people like you, and it makes people trust you. We'll get into all that in this video. Who am I? My name's Lane. I love to help you replace your 9-to-5 income with a thriving online business without hustle or grind or having to build a large social media following. And if you want to jump into a very detailed step-by-step training, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. This is my Turn What You Know into Dough workshop, where I'm going to give you the 4 steps to making your first $1,000 per month in passive income in your spare time with an online business. Everything is in this workshop. It is free, it is on demand, it has everything you need, and I'm even going to show you in that workshop how to make your first $1,000 in the next 2 weeks. So again, lanesebring.com/workshop. So as we talk about content, this is actually day 14 of a series that I'm doing called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi, where we're walking step by step through everything that you need to do in your first 30 days on the platform. So when it comes to content, as I said, is going to build your audience. How does it do that? Well, it does that because content has the purpose, the explicit, expressed purpose of generating leads. That's why in this series, we worked very hard to build a lead magnet to make sure that we have a landing page with a form on it that we're sending people to so that they can go there and get onto our email list. Before all that, how do they find out about us? Well, they find out about us because of our content. So we're making consistent, helpful, relevant content. What do I mean by that? Consistent, meaning that we are showing up every week on a platform and we are present with content. We're showing up, we're consistent. And we're helpful, meaning that whatever topic you speak about, whatever topic you teach about, you are showing up with something that people can use. It is getting them from where they're stuck to where they want to be. That's what our content does. And it's relevant, meaning that you're staying on topic, you're staying on brand, on niche. So you're not one day talking about, how your day was that day, and the next day talking about the weather, and then the next day you're back on topic. You are consistent with your topic so that people know when they come to your YouTube channel, when they come to your TikTok page, when they come to your Facebook group, when they come to wherever you are doing your main pillar content, people know what to expect. You pick a platform, you make sure that the content has purpose, and then make sure that the content generates leads. The way the content generates leads is you have to, in every piece of content, mention your lead magnet. If you notice in every video, and it might get annoying, and I'm okay with that. You can be annoyed, that's fine. But my content has a purpose. My content's purpose is to show up with consistency in your life, help you in a relevant way, and provide a very clear bridge from my content to my email list so that I can serve you in an even deeper way, help you at an even deeper level, and of course, offer you my paid products. And your content should be doing the same things. You need to bring people on a path. And so in your content, figure out a way that you can naturally weave in your lead magnet. Hey, I've got this helpful resource that would be a great complement to this video. Hey, I got this checklist. Hey, if you like this, you might want to go to this workshop or this training. Figure out a way, mention it in every video. The difference in my content now versus when I first started an online business is massive. The difference is huge because in the early days, I would end my content by just saying, hey, well, thanks for coming. Thanks for showing up. See you in the next one. So it wasn't really doing its job. Maybe it was building an audience, maybe it was building a little bit of rapport, but I had no way of continuing that relationship with people other than just hoping they subscribed and hoping they showed back up. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to build my business on hope. I want to build it on a clear path. And so that's why I now always bridge to my email list through my lead magnet. And so it's an offer. At the beginning of this video, I said, hey, if you want a full plan, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. And if you go back, you'll notice that it was relatively smooth. In other words, like it didn't come out of nowhere. It's like, hey, today we're talking about content. And if you want to see how all of this works in your online business, go to this workshop, this training. So figure out a way, do the same. In this series, we've been walking through day by day everything that you need to do on Kajabi to build your business plan. Tomorrow, we're going to dive into the Creator Studio. That's going to be really cool. If you have not yet jumped onto Kajabi, be sure to go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, get your 30-day free trial using that link. Get all 3 of my bonuses, the Kajabi Accelerator course, the top 3 mistakes the new Kajabi users make exclusive masterclass, and the 25K course launch email template. All that is yours for free when you use my link, plus the 30-day free trial. So jump in, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, and go through day 1, 2, 3, all the way through 13, and today's day 14. I'll see you tomorrow for day 15.